Crypto lovers with the daily chart. We tested the major moving averages. We had a three big day sell off that we did. Let me tell you, for you crypto traders, I am now officially a full service broker dealer in crypto. You can open a crypto account. You can get leverage. I'll give you 100 to 1 buying power for crypto. Yes. If you didn't have money, you certainly have it now. I will assist you in crypto trading. We will be launching it in the next 2 weeks, and we will offer all crypto form of trading and total updates, full account protection, you name it. We're starting a Bitcoin trading brokerage, and we're going to give 100 to 1. So if you put 10,000, you're going to get 110,000 buying power for BTC if you want to trade that, or you can trade any of them. You can trade whatever you want. It's your account. It's going to be your crypto account. Listen, we're coming up to a major wall of resistance. We know that crypto can trade back down to 55,000 all the way back down here. We do know that. So you can make money when you go short crypto, and you can make money when you go long crypto. Go ahead, sign up, text me at 503-753-0062. We'll get your crypto trading account. We will be the full service broker. There will be someone that will take care of those accounts. Believe me, full service crypto.